kids, my name is Chef Combo, and today we're gonna be cooking tomato soup. Alright kids, so the first thing we're gonna do is get some water. So let's fill our pot with water. Next, we boil the water. That means we make it hot. Hot! So the first ingredient we need to add to our tomato soup is the tomato soup, of course. The next thing we need for our soup is rice cakes. Some Pringles. And finally, some carrots. Carrots are good for you. Then we're gonna add our third ingredient, a lemon. Then we're gonna add some blueberries. And a cucumber. You know what? Let's add some marshmallows to our soup. Marshmallows are very good for your organs. And a candy bar. A dragon. A book about things. And then salami. And after that, we're gonna add some basil. And then, whoa, Chef Combo, what the hell are you doing? Making soup? That's what. What kind of soup? Tomato soup, genius. That shit looks nothing like tomato soup. Yes, it does. Silly chef. How did you get to this point anyway? How did you get to the point of interrupting me while I'm doing my business? Excuse me! Ditto. Now anyways, we're gonna add a sturgeon to our soup. I'm a sturgeon! I'm a sturgeon! I'm a sturgeon! If you really wanted to make tomato soup, Chef Combo, you would have learned to use real ingredients, like tomatoes for example, and basil. I already used basil. We're all out of tomatoes though. But that's not the way to make tomato soup at all. Instead, you just added random shit to the pot. Like that's not how you fucking make it.
Oh shit, is he really testing my legitimacy as a chef? I gotta do something about this now. I know, I'll use reverse psychology.
You can't say that to me! I am a chef! I am a chef! I am a chef! But what he doesn't know is that I'm using reverse psychology. Hey, by any chance, are you using reverse psychology? Damn it! He knew. Look, Chef Combo, I know you're a good chef. In all cases, you're not. But please don't add one more stupid ingredient to the soup. Okay, Doodle Doot. Hey kids, we only need one more ingredient for the tomato soup. And that is with snow powder.
No, Chef Combo! What are you doing? Make it stop! Make it stop right now!
no soup. Okay, that's it. I'm throwing out the soup. No, wait, Doodle Dude, I won't turn on that soup. That's all for cooking with my retarded chef, kids! What have you done? And remember, never mess with the emotions of a dangerous lunatic. I worked hard on this! I'm off! Come back! I'll fucking kill you! You bastard! Turn the camera off, I fucking swear.